Single order shipping is the workflow that we use to process and ship orders that have already been picked and are sitting in totes waiting to be shipped. If you want more information on how to get orders to this point, how to go through picking and get them ready to ship, go ahead and check out the picking and the orders videos. To start shipping, head over to the left-hand side menu, go down to Start Shipping, and then you'll see a table with all the orders that are sitting in totes at your specified warehouse. In this case, it's next to Home in the top right-hand corner of the table. In order to get to the right shipping page, you can either scan a tote barcode if you have a barcode scanner connected to your shipping station. In this case, I don't, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the order number of the order that I would like to ship. This will bring up the shipping page. Let's start in the top left-hand corner where it says Tote 01 and 1001. This specifies the location that the order is currently in, or the tote, and then it also specifies the order number right next to it. In line with that title, there's also a View Order link that if you click this, it'll go to the order page for that order that you're currently shipping. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back, so now we're back at the shipping page. Right below that, you have the packed items. So this is a list of all the items and the quantities that are supposed to be in that tote. Make sure to check each item and the quantity to confirm that the order is correct. On the right-hand side, we'll have shipping settings. If you have a packing note associated with the order, it'll be right here below the shipping settings, and it'll also come up in a pop-up right when you go to the page, so it's impossible to miss. So directly below where the packing note will be, you'll have a ship to address or a shipping address. If you need to change anything about the address associated with the order, you can click on this, edit fields, and save changes. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and close this. I don't need to edit anything. Next, we have the shipping method. This is basically a configuration of shipping settings. If you want more information on that, check out the carriers and shipping methods video. That will explain more in depth what it is and how we dynamically rate shop to get you the best rate for your package. However, if you want to manually select a rate, go ahead and click on this and open it up, and it should shop the rates, and there it goes. So you can see the price of all the different rates that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I want this to auto shop and select the best rate dynamically for me. So directly below that, you have the packaging section. This consists of two parts, the box and the weight. So let's take a look at the box first. If I click on the box dropdown, it'll show you all the boxes that you have available at the warehouse. And then it also will show you a custom box option, where if I click on this, I can input the length, width, and height of my custom box. However, I'm going to select small box. One thing to note about this is that we automatically select the suggested box based on shipping dimensions. And this is usually correct. It can be wrong, so make sure that you're checking the suggested box to make sure that it fits all of the items in your order. The next section is going to be weight. So if I go ahead and click on this edit button, I can manually type in a weight and press save. If I have a scale connected, I can go ahead and click on this unlock button, and then I can put weight on the scale. I don't have a scale, but it would update in this point. So once you have your box, your weight, your shipping method, and your shipping address set, you go ahead and print labels. In this case, I don't have a printer, so I'm going to have to select one. I'll select a random printer, save, and you can either print the invoice and label or just print the label. So I'm going to go ahead and print the label, and it should sit here for a minute with nothing actually printing since I don't actually have a printer. So now it's printed and the shipment has been purchased. You can see the tracking number and the cost. If I click into here, I can view the label. It should open up in a PDF. If I want to reprint the label directly to my printer, I can press print label again. Or if I want to cancel the label so that I can redo the shipping process, I'm going to press void label. And it should take a second, and there it's voided. So now at this point, I can print the label again and create a new label. But before I do that, I want to show you one other feature that we have. Let's say that the order is wrong at this point. For whatever reason, something messed up during the fulfillment process, and you need to reset the order back to the point that it was prior to picking. To do so, click the reset order button and confirm. This will leave the inventory in the tote, so then you'll have to transfer the inventory back to where it was, but the order will be reset in the fulfillment process and go back to the allocation process. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I'm going to print a new label, and it should take just a minute here. There it is. So the shipment is done, it is created, and now I can press complete. What complete does is it signals to Warehance that you're done shipping the product, or done shipping the order, and then it sends tracking information to the platform if it's applicable. So in this case, I'm going to press complete, and there it's completed. The order shipped. If you want to view the shipment, you can go to shipments, and it should be the most recent one, which is this one. You can see the products that were in it. You can void the shipment if needed, and you can see some more details.